Of course, another segment about my play this out. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski Daddy? Time for the lightning round question. Let's start with Robert in Maryland. Robert.
Jimmy Chill, how you feeling?
All right, Chief, how about you?
Doing good, doing good. Hey, listen, now that the UFC and WWE have merged, what do you think about TKO?
Hey, as I felt about the other two, it is so hard. I can't value it. I don't know how to value it. If I don't know how to value it, I got others that are hard enough. I'm not going to take on something even more difficult. Let's go to Austin in Pennsylvania. Austin.
Big Friday booyah, Jimmy
You
Chill.
betcha. You bet it is.
All right, down almost 30% year to date. Is now the time to get in on DocuSign.
DocuSign's going to have to come up with something new and different and special because right now what they're doing is not doing enough. Let's go to Matt in California. Matt.
Hi, Jim. Thanks for taking my call.
Oh, same.
I want to know what you think about a U.S. bank.
Okay,
US
until the Fed's meeting this week and the bond schedule, I would have said don't buy it. Now I think it's incredibly undervalued because the Fed may be done and a 5.41% yield, count me in. Let's go to Linda in New York. Linda.
Hey, Jim. How are you?
I'm good, Linda. How about you?
Good. So I'm interested in your opinion on this stock because it's way down. And do I hold it? Do I sell it? What do you think about Zillow?
Zillow needs more transactions to occur in the real estate business. It's a casualty, as if it were some sort of floor and decor. I'm sorry, because I like the company, but does not have the volume. Let's go to Jason in Florida. Jason.
Hey, Jim, how are you?
I am good. How are you?
Hey, yesterday you liked Realty Income, so I was thinking about FLG.
Well, real income's triple net lease that involves commercial properties that are incredibly secure, mostly by well-known retailers. SLG obviously is commercial real estate. However, the stock did react well to the report, so let me dig deeper because I was surprised at the reaction 2 days in a row of very good pin action off that quarter. Bob in Florida. Bob.
Hey, Jim. Good to talk to you. My question relates to Pfizer buyout of cancer drug maker Seagen at $229 a share.
I want you to sell the stock on Monday. I don't trust the FTC, and you've made all the big money already. Some people, by the way, were very angry at me and said that I did not call out Dr. Borla on paying too much for Seagen. Having known some of the cancers that they're working on, I have to tell you that if the Seagen gets it right, he will not have paid too much. How about we go to Frank in Pennsylvania? Frank.
Hey, booyah, Jim.
Booyah, Frank.
Well, I know what your opinion is
my
on
signing's tomorrow. Go ahead, I'm sorry. Which one?
What's your opinion on First Solar?
Okay, First Solar is the only solar stock I'm currently recommending because it's a pure play and is not a play on financing, which it turned out all the others were that went by the wayside. Let's go to Blaine in Washington. Blaine.
Hey, Jim. My question is coming to you today from Port Orchard, Washington, where I'm down about 2% on an energy stock that pays 3.7% dividend. I'm wondering, buy, sell, or hold on National Fuel Gas.
I don't like National Fuel Gas. Doesn't pay enough. Doesn't have the growth that I want. I can get that. If I want some good yield and I get some growth, I do want One Oak or Energy Transfer. I think they're both superior to the stock that you own. Peter in Oklahoma. Peter.
How you doing, Jimmy? It's giving you a huge booyah shout-out from Yukon, Oklahoma.
Well, there you go. I haven't been there yet, but I intend to get there very quickly. What's happening?
Yeah, we'd love your thoughts and opinion on KLAC.
All right, as good as KLAC is, you know what? Do you know that I would actually say that I should just let you buy that one. I was going to say that yes, KLA is good enough because the other one is a little bit too high. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by Charles Schwab. Coming up, a tale of two apples? Cramer goes picking for reasons why any analyst could be down on the stock meant to own, not trade. Next. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.